wanted to do a update on the Robinhood portfolio and let you guys know where I was currently with this portfolio. You guys already know that I received my cash management card, and as you can see here, I currently have $387.72 in either withdrawing power or spending power in my Robinhood account. Now, if we look at the Robinhood account overall, you will see that currently the account is at $809.36 for the day. For the week, I am up $11.55 or 1.45%. For the month, I am up $56.86 or 7.56%. For the 3-month period, I am up $75.99 or 10.36%. And then for the year, which it has not been a year yet since I started this Robinhood portfolio. I started the portfolio on February the 1st, will be my year mark. But overall, I am up $4.34 since February the 1st when I started the portfolio, or 0.54%. So the next thing that I wanted to look at real quick was the account summary for the month of December. As you can see here, my opening balance for December was $871.46. Closing balance was $795.07. Dividends paid in December were $8.87. However, my year-to-date dividends ending for the Robinhood portfolio in the year of 2019 was $47.66. And then from the time that I received my cash management card until the end of December 31st, I was only paid 3 cents. The last thing that we'll go over in my Robinhood portfolio is the holdings that I have left that I still have to sell off in this portfolio. So first we'll look at OXLC. This is another monthly dividend paying stock. Oxford Lane Capital, as you can see, is currently trading at $8.66. I currently have 13 shares. My average cost is $9.34. And until I can get this position up to where I can sell it for a profit, then I will not be selling out of this position. I will just be collecting the dividends. And as you can see, I collected dividends on this of $135 at the end of November and then $176 at the end of December. So I'll just continue to hold this and continue to collect the monthly dividends until I can, sell out of this position. And this is a closed-ended management investment company that engages in maximizing total returns by investing in securitization vehicles. In return, they invest in senior secured loans made to companies whose debt is rated below investment grade or is unrated. So that's just to give you a little bit of an idea of what Oxford Lane Capital is. Next, we have ENLC, and I only own 3 shares of this stock. My average cost is $6.93, but it's currently trading at $5.71. Again, this is another monthly dividend paying stock. I've received the dividend on November 13th. Well, I take that back. I don't think this is a monthly payer. I think this is a quarterly payer. So I stand corrected. This is a quarterly payer. It is a midstream LLC. It engages in gathering, transmission, and processing of marketing of natural gas and natural gas liquids. So I think I bought this stock when it was coming up on ex-dividend day a while back. But again, I'm just going to hold on to this position until I'm able to sell out of it. Again, it is not a monthly payer, it's a quarterly dividend payer. Next is good old Macy's. I've had Macy's for a while now. I own 2 shares. I bought Macy's when Macy's was trading at some all-time highs for the year. Let's just see how long I've been holding Macy's. I've been paid dividends on Macy's 3 times already. So I've had Macy's for almost a year. I bought Macy's back in April, 2 shares at $24.37. And I've just been holding it ever since because the shares dropped, and today was probably one of its highs, but it dropped a while back and it really never came back up. So haven't had a opportunity to sell it, but hey, it's still consistently paying the dividend. It has a good dividend yield. As you can see, it has a dividend yield of 8.83%. We all know that sometimes Robinhood's information isn't correct, but it does have a good dividend yield. So I just been collecting the dividends on this one as well. Then we have Ford. We all know Ford, so I don't need to go over that. I own 10 shares of Ford. My average cost is $9.98. It's currently trading at $9.26. And then we have GEO. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know about GEO. It's the prison stock. A lot of people talk about this stock a lot. It's currently trading at $15.52. It's been down for a while. My average cost is $17.55. It does have a really good dividend yield. As you can see, it's 12.136%. Next is Six Flags. Now, I think I had a couple shares of Six Flags, but I did sell out of that stock a while back. But I still own 1 share. My average cost is pretty high because the stock fell like a brick a while back. My average cost is $53.48. As you can see, it's trading at $43.49. Then we have MLPA. I've held this stock for a while also. It's an ETF. It's trading at $8.17. My current price is $8.96. I've been paid dividends on this stock twice as well. It is a quarterly paying ETF. And let's just look and see when I bought into this. So I've owned this ever since July the 5th. So I've owned this position for quite some time. I was able to sell out of some of my shares, but I'm still holding these shares because, as you can see, my average cost and the actual cost is different. So I'm just holding on to it until I can sell out of it. And then last but not least is Taylor Brands. I bought this stock right before they end up cutting the dividend. So I did get the dividend on this stock before they cut the dividend, but they're currently not paying a dividend. I was able to sell a few shares of this stock. But as you can see, these are stocks that I bought in the beginning of my trading days. And as you can see, the stock is trading at a very low price compared to what it used to be trading at. So I'm just waiting again, either to a good price to sell out of it, or maybe, if it's one of the last stocks that I have left, I might just take my losses on the stock and just sell out of it where it is, because currently I am up on the portfolio, and as I continue to collect the dividends that I am being paid into the portfolio, it might just be more beneficial for me to just cut my losses